Hi friends, so today I'm going to introduce you to FAACT, that's Food Allergy and Anaphylaxis Connection Team. It's a not-for-profit organization that really helps with patients with food allergies, and they have a threefold objective. So one is education, providing patients with education about food allergies, how to manage their food allergies, about the available treatments, about diagnosis, if you're newly diagnosed with it, how to cope with it, how to accept your food allergy, how to learn to live with your food allergy. So, a lot of these educational activities. The other objective is advocacy, and they really work with civil rights, working with schools, 504s. It's a very helpful resource to have. The third one is awareness. So, building awareness about food allergy in patients who have food allergy and in the general population who doesn't. So the few good things that they do, which I really like, is they have support groups that helps you connect with people who share similar experiences, so that you can learn from each other. They have teen camps, they have summer camps for school children, and they form an allergy gang where kids and their families can get together, meet each other, and share experiences. They also have a digital influencer summit coming up. So they basically connect you with people who have similar experiences. They also have programs for schools where they have curriculums that teach schools how to manage food allergies and anaphylaxis in the school. So I think this is a very helpful resource for anyone with food allergies, or for if you have near and dear ones with food allergies, to have to get connected with. And this is not a sponsored or a promotional video. I just would recommend this to my patients and to my audience if you are suffering with food allergies. Thank you.